Heart openers are perfect yoga postures to practice during difficult times. They boost your confidence, energize your body, relieve depression and feelings of isolation, and improve your posture. After a few initial breaths, let's move into crescent low lunge. Stretch one leg behind and place it on the floor, and the other one is bent. It's a wonderful hip and chest opener. You can do a few rotations of arms. When you're inhaling, put the arms up, and exhaling, move arms forward. For a deeper side stretch, try a variation. Both arms are straight, one reaching towards extended leg and the other arm reaching up. Stay here and breathe. Now let's try everything on the other side. Try to synchronize your movement with your breath. Feel the stretch of your thighs and the opening of your chest. From here, enter the child's pose just to release your upper back for a moment. If you're feeling adventurous, try to slide from child's pose into cobra. In cobra, you can make a little variation by turning your neck left and right. For Superman, just lift your legs and arms straight and hold it. Bend your knees, catch your ankles or feet, extend your legs and lift your chest. Stay here and breathe. Coming out of downward facing dog into the standing postures, we're going to work on your balance now. Let's prepare for the dancer pose. Let's bend one leg and catch the foot from behind. Stay here and breathe. Try the same with the other leg. Bend your leg, catch front of your foot, extend the other arm and kick the leg back, extending your chest. Working on your balance all at the same time. Let's try the other side. Bend your knee, catch your foot and kick your leg back. Coming back to standing posture, extending your arms up, bending your back, taking a deep inhale and exhale, arms down towards your heart.